I'm going to launch a poll. Okay, let us know, is this your first time here? You know, as a lot of new members start to come in, it's really, really very nice. Please put out a poll. Come on, let's get it going. Yes. Oh, we have indeed new people today in this LCMS, in this currency call. So let those who are new here, let me tell you more about what we do. We have a daily webinar where Jin will be walking you through his thoughts and ideas for a very specific currency for each day. Monday is the Aussie and New Zealand, Tuesday Euro, Wednesday is the pound, Thursday is the yen and the gold, Friday will be the Canadian dollar and Bitcoin as well. So today is a Wednesday, so we'll be talking about the pound. Jin, who is an award-winning Forex coach and trainer, international speaker and multi-million-dollar trader. It's a webinar. This webinar is going to be very beneficial for the long-term investors and short-term traders as well. During these sessions, Jin will go through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, highlight potential targets and risks. Of course, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades at all. My name is Daniel. I've known Jin for many years, first as a student in LCMS Traders Club, now as a business partner in Forex Briefcase, where, of course, Jin runs both LCMS Traders and Forex Briefcase, and Forex Briefcase is a managed account where Jin trades more than 10 million USD on a daily basis as well. Now, of course, when we talk about LCMS Traders, let me share with you. Let me share here. Sharing. Okay, I would like to share with you here. Where is my sharing? Where is the tool? Oh, here we go. So sorry, I missed it. Okay, close this. Share with this one here, and let me share with you. And I can't find it already. Oh, there it is. Yes. Let me share with you about LCMS Traders Club here that we created by LCMS Traders. You know, in LCMS Traders Club, for those who are not in the club here, let me tell you more about this. It's really about the LCMS Traders Club. We do actually, and this is a community where we share trade ideas. You know, all the members here will do some trade idea discussions. Everyone will come in to give comments. The coaches here as well will give some comments to you as well. Of course, there's some news you can see here, Louis giving some trade ideas in the morning, giving ideas, and Daniel here, which is me, we will do some analysis, what we think of the trade idea as well. Here's another one, Sujia giving his own analysis and why he thinks it's a good trade for the Aussie, New Zealand, USD as well. Yeah. Okay, so a lot of, and then of course here as well, and every time in evening hours, every day, Kenneth will also do a Facebook Live in this LCMS Traders Club to let you know what has happened in a day and possibly what other possible trades and ideas or what could possibly happen as well for the Forex market. So it's really a very educational and informative information to have, this club. In fact, not only that, we also have the trade signals where we give out first in the LCMS Traders Club here. We all then only much later do we put in the Telegram. Okay, and we also want here. We also give a lot of why analysis on why we take the trade. Okay, and what analysis is it a downtrend? What's the fundamental and technical analysis itself? And not only that, you don't get this in Telegram. You also will suggest to you based on the analysis at the point in time when you hit the TP1, TP2, TP3, whether to close at TP1, 2, or 3, and what's the reasons why we do so as well. As you can see, a lot of signals coming in like pound USD as well, analysis. And then we also give you like TP1, hold the trade, momentum is strong, TP2, oh, the momentum is still strong, hold to TP3, and then you close at TP3 target. So it's really a very good information at all. And looking at it, the price is only $49 US a month, or you can save 65% of your money. You just join at 199 a year, a no-brainer. Just go ahead and join at US 199 a year. You are based on the educational and information you have, you will have more than enough to get back your money as well. Okay, now it's great. So let me also now run another poll. Let us know. Okay, let us know how did you get here? You know, through Facebook Live or is it Telegram? You know, or friend sharing? You know, I really do encourage for anybody who's trading. You know, anybody who friends or family who trades forex, do encourage them to join this currency call daily in the morning. It's really beneficial when you're preparing. It really helps you to prepare what to trade in the forex market as well. Okay, great. We have really a lot of people from Facebook Live, Telegram, friend sharing as well. So really do encourage as well. Okay, not to delay any further, I'll pass it back to Jin right now for the analysis.
All right. Thank you, Daniel. Welcome everyone. Good morning. How are you all doing today? Give me a reaction, thumbs up, something. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, so the regulars are responding. The irregulars are wondering what's happening. Why do they have to respond? We try and keep this a bit more interactive. We try and figure out what you need to know, what you need to know more about, and guide you through this whole process. Today is Wednesday, so we will be looking at the pound US dollar and also revisit the euro pound a little bit, because I spoke about the euro pound yesterday already. So just looking at the pound US dollar and the euro pound, a lot has happened in the market over last night. Tech stocks were plummeting. We've seen a lot of triggers pushing towards that led to the stronger US dollar. Not a lot based on economic news, but there were some triggers pushing that economic data or releasing on economic statements and data, which also helped with this push towards short-term, I would say short to medium-term US dollar strength. So be very careful with what you anticipate for the US dollar strength. You might actually be jumping in a little bit too early. But with that said, I know this is all about polls. I want to run this one. 4-day course. I'm doing a 4-day program in the end of September. Are you registered for it? If you are you excited for it? If you don't know what 4-day course I'm talking about, click there and say what 4-day course, and I'll tell you more about it. I'll give you 30 seconds to do that. There are 51 of you in here. 32 of you have responded. I don't know what the number is, but there's a lot of you who have not responded yet. So everyone click on something. Let me know whether you want to know more about the 4-day course or whether you're super excited for it. Good stuff. I see a lot of you responding. I need everyone else. Click on it, click on it, click on it. 10 more. 10 more of you are sitting there going, I'm not going to do any response. All right, 9 more. This is a countdown timer. When will be, Sally just asked, when will be updated on the course? Sally, check your, check your emails. Emails have been sent out. We are inviting everyone into the groups for the 4-day course already. So far none received. Check your spam message and messenger. Chinwei has been working like mad and messaging everyone and emailing everyone. So, all right. So if not, Chinwei will tell you how to get in. But those handful of you who are not already on the 4-day course, the link is going to be there. Chinwei is going to share with you the link right now. 4daycourse.lcms.com.sg. We've done more than 100 of these daily videos already, guiding you through how I look at the markets, what I think about before I enter a trade, what I think about while I'm in a trade, what I think about after I'm in a trade, usually counting pips, right? but I want to teach you exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so it's going to be a 4-day program. Whether you've traded before or never traded before, this is going to be suitable for everyone there. You've met all the guys and girls who are going to be there to support you through this whole trading journey. It's going to be all about the 5-step strategy. So those of you who have joined Traders Club and also, be a bit confused about, wait, why do we keep referring to these 5 steps? It's really a logical process to how to enter a trade. Look at the news, look at the trends, support, resistance, look at your indicators, and also how not to be caught by surprises, how to pre-plan your trades. So when I talk about indicators, price action indicators, I will be providing them to you. No subscription, nothing to pay, no catch. It's there for you to download, to install, to use as and when you like. Obviously, if you like it, keep using it. If you hate it, delete it. Okay, so it's going to be there. This 4 days is going to be fully online, streamed live. That means you get to ask questions. I get to repeat everything. I get to make sure that you know what I'm talking about, address your issues, and guide you through this whole thing, quite customized to what you require. Okay, guiding you through this whole process, what you will learn. You learn everything. You learn everything that I know. The only difference after this 4 days is that I've looked at the screen for 10 years more than you have. But I'll give you everything that I know to guide you through this whole trading journey. Got fantastic pictures there. It is not $4,000. It is going to be priced at $4,000, but I'll give you the code, or rather they have given you the code already on how to get it for free. 22nd of September, 24th of September, 29th of September, and the 1st of October, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. GMT +8. You can be anywhere in the world. I know I've got viewers in Canada, in Peru, in Bulgaria, in the US, in the UK, in Hong Kong, anywhere in the world. You can join us. This is fully online, streamed, and absolutely free. Okay, so how you get that, go right down to the bottom, click sign up, fill in your details, and in the coupon code area, put in 100 DAY, click apply, and it's $0. You do not even have to give me your credit card details. So there's no catch. We cannot charge you anything, and you're in and you are joined. Okay, for those of you who have joined already, I know a lot of you have joined, most of you have joined already. What I want you to do is to actually copy the link, copy the code out, put it onto Facebook and share it. I just need you to do that one additional step for me. Put in the link and the discount code and share it on your Facebook profile for me so that we can share this fantastic offer with as many people as we can. All right, sounds fair? You get a free course. All you have to do is click share and get people on board the 4-day course. What happens after we complete the 4-day course? Stephen Lee asked. Well, you start trading. You apply. Hopefully, you apply the strategies that I've taught you. You start trading. You start making money. Hopefully, you're happy, right? If you need more help, reach out, and then the guys will sort something out for you to get you more assistance and more help if you require. It doesn't sound good, Stephen. It sounds fantastic. Okay, so with that said, advertisements aside, let's look at Forex Factory. Forex Factory today, not much news applying to the pound US dollar, but what we have is the Canadian rate statements and overnight rate. I actually have been saying this for the past couple of days that I would touch on the Canadian dollar news tonight during this call, but on hindsight, I have actually gone through this with our Traders Club members already, so I'm not going to be recapping it. If you want to get an insight, pre-insight into any news and analysis that I have, make sure you join the Traders Club. If not, we'll be talking about the Canadian dollars on Friday morning. Okay, but with pound US dollar happening, we do have a lot of news. The main thing is that last night, this 14 hours ago, this news came out. Pound dropped after Brexit saga brings BOE rate cut bets forward. Even if you don't know anything about economics, even if you don't know anything about, well, you need to know a little bit about economics. Even if you don't know about reading through all the economic data, Bank of England rate cut bets forward. That means they're looking to cut it. If this whole thing continues on, they're looking to a possible cut in interest rates from the Bank of England. If interest rates in the UK cuts, what do you think is going to happen to the pound? Is it going to get stronger or weaker? Those of you who are listening, who are ready to interact, put it in the chat. Do you think the pound is going to get stronger or weaker if interest rates are going to get cut? Weaker, 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 weaker. Good stuff. All right. Fantastic. Thank you all for responding. Yes, it is going to get weaker if interest rates gets cut. So with this news coming out, it's not that interest rates are already cut. It is more that they are saying that interest rates could be cut. Likelihood of it could be cut. Likelihood of it has been brought forward that it could be cut. Okay, so that has led to that front running of the pound getting weaker. All right, and in addition to last night where the markets in the US closed significant, I wouldn't say it crashed. It looked a bit more like a retracement, but it closed significantly lower. That has in the intermarket analysis methods has led to a stronger US dollar as well. Okay, so with this news of possible rates being cut in the UK, with the news of the US markets coming lower and resulting in a slightly stronger US dollar, we have seen the pound US dollar come significantly off that toppish level of 1.345 last week and started trending a lot lower into this week. And we've seen that it's currently at 1.2961. Okay, so with that said, let's look at the charts. All right, so looking at the charts here, you can see my pound US dollar on the H4 time frame. This is exactly what I was talking about. Last week, we saw the pound US dollar hit 1.3450, tested that level. I actually just texted one property investor in the UK. He was just asking me when's a good time to change his pound, or rather pound into US dollar, and it was quite fortunate last week. We just caught that point right there. Right after he changed, it started coming back down. Okay, so at this point now, it's already dropped about almost 500 pips, right? Since mid of last week, 1st of September to now, 9th of September, it's dropped almost 500 pips due to several reasons. Slightly stronger US dollar because of the market move last night, slightly stronger, slightly more confident or more positive US numbers from non-farm payroll last week on Friday, the likelihood of the interest rates cutting from the UK, all that has added to the pressure pushing pound lower. Okay, but at this point now, the common question you're going to be asking me is what? Jin, is it too late to jump into a sell right now? I would actually urge you to be a little bit more cautious, right? At this point, be a little bit more cautious, especially because that it has dropped that much over the past couple of days, even since Monday to now, almost 300 pips. I do feel that it's likely to go back up, test the 1.30 level, come close to testing that 1.30 level before turning back down again. Okay, so at this point right now, if you were to sell, could you make money trading it down towards 1.2828? Yes, you could make 100 pips selling it down to 1.2828, but your risk could be also 100 pips. So you're looking at a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio there. Better, more textbook trade idea would be to let it retrace back up, test 1.30, reject 1.30, and maybe sell below 1.2985 maybe. Stop loss, still almost 100 pips. Take profit 130, 140 pips. You're looking at a better risk reward ratio, letting it retest, and you know that if it retests, hits that level and turns down, it's more likely to drop faster than if it were to slowly gravitate downwards from here. Okay, so you could still make money on both trades, but one's going to be a little bit more risky and a little bit slower. The other one, the second one, is to let it go back up, urge a little bit of patience, go back up, retest, turn down, then sell, more likely to drop faster. Okay, so you have to be patient for it to drop faster, or you could be impatient and sit there and wait for that trade to slowly move down. Make sense so far? Give me a big thumbs up or reaction if it makes sense to you. I can't see thumbs up anyway, so good. I got some people saying yes, great, fantastic. All right, so that's the pound US dollar. Looking at euro pound, that quick recap. I'm going to do Traders Club members. I'm going to do that quick video for you after this. So check out Traders Club for that quick video. But yesterday I was saying that it was possibly going to go up and test this level before possibly coming back down. Right now, it's gone way past the 9033 level. So I would say this analysis is invalid. Okay, so you need to know when to consider an analysis invalid. When it's invalid, you do a re-evaluation. Okay, so you re-evaluate it. Now it's gone all the way to 9088. Okay, at 9088, because it's been moving almost a straight line upwards, I would say that it will probably continue up and test this 9122 level. Probably not in that straight line. It's probably going to come down a little bit before going back up, bounce around in this level. But if it does anything apart from going up to this level, I'm not interested. I want to see it test 9122 and then sell it down from that point. Okay, let it test 9122 and sell it down from that point. If it does anything, if it turns down from this point down, I'm not interested to sell. I'm looking at a 30 pip stop loss for a possible 60 pip take profit. Risk reward ratio of 1:2. Fantastic trade at that point. It would be quite close to textbook. Make sense? Good stuff. Any questions so far? Anyone present? Everyone there? Okay, I've got 2 thumbs up. Henry's still happy. Good stuff. All right, so with that said, Daniel, you can take it back.
Okay, thank you very much, Jin, for fabulous trade ideas on the pound. So right now, let me launch another poll, the last poll on how do you find this today's session? Just gotta get it started. So let me know how do you find these sessions already. Great. Everybody's good. Is saying perfect. I love it. Okay, so those who are new here, don't worry. A recording of this video will be uploaded. So thank you for joining the sessions today. So tomorrow is Thursday. So Thursday we will be looking at yen and gold. Okay, so that's what I look forward to see you again tomorrow. See you. Bye.